Front panel of stroboscope is having different control knobs. These control knobs are fine, coarse, and other control knobs are to vary range of this stroboscope. This is strobotron or fluorescent light. It is harmful for human eyes. Intensity of this light, it can be varied by using these two knobs, fine and coarse. We have to measure rotating speed, RPM value of this fan, of this rotating fan. For this purpose, mark is made on the surface of this fan. You can observe mark is done here. Now, after turning on, this fan will rotate. By using this stroboscope, we have to strike the surface. Initially, we can observe flashing rate is very less. Please observe this. Less number of flashes are struck from this stroboscope. So here you can observe it is not possible to observe the mark. Here we have to make the mark stationary. It means this mark should appear stationary to normal human vision. Now as intensity is increased, see, we can observe the mark, but still it is moving. This mark is not stationary. Now again, after changing the intensity of fluorescent light, we can observe that this mark is observed clearly now. Mask can be observed very clear. By some adjustment, we have to make it appear stationary. Now here you can observe this mark appear stationary now. It is seen to be at a single place. This thing can be achieved by adjusting fluorescent light from this stroboscope. So at this stage, we can observe that RPM value is around 832 RPM revolutions per minute. In this way, we can measure rotating speed of this object. Now, in another arrangement, in alternative arrangement, here we have a fan. This fan is having variable speed. We can vary the speed, rotating speed of this fan by using this knob. या नॉबचा वापर करून आपण ही स्पीड व्हॅरी करू शकतो. Now initially we will measure RPM value at very less speed. Now we can observe that speed is less. So let's check what is case, what is situation. Here you can observe that the mark appears somewhat stationary, and approximately RPM value is 484 RPM for this particular speed. So at this stage RPM value is 531 RPM. So in this way we can record RPM value of this rotating object by using stroboscope. Thank you.